UK is one of the most popular study destinations for students from India, and many times students ask me what is the process of applying to a university in the UK. Well, there are six broad steps I would like to suggest. First of all, decide on a university or a college and the course. So you need to research on that, and you need to be sure that the course is right for you and what you want to achieve. And it is best to do some research or read about it as much as you can, or you may consult somebody senior in that particular industry, or you can consult study abroad consultant also. So that's first thing that you need to do, to zero down on the university and the course. Second is to register and apply. For undergraduates, you need to register and apply through the UCAS, that is Universities and Colleges Admission Service. And if you are a postgraduate student, then postgraduate courses in the UK have their own specific requirements and application processes. So you will have to check it with the university that you have selected. Once you make the application, after some time you will get the offer letter, and if it is a unconditional offer letter, you can definitely accept it and secure your place right away. And if it is a conditional offer, then you need to see what are the conditions. It could be achieving a certain exam grades or English language test scores. In some cases there can be an interview before you receive the offer. Next step is to arrange the funding. You might have got some scholarship. If not, you will have to arrange for 1 year of the tuition fee and living expenses. So, and the living expenses may depend on where you are, your university is. For London it is different, and outside London it is different. Once you arrange everything, you need to apply for a visa as an international student, and there are certain conditions like you need to go through a medical test, and you need to go for the biometrics. And last but not the least, while doing all this, you can definitely prepare for your stay. You can uh, choose the university hostel accommodation, or you can go for certain private residencies. And the suggestion is that you need to do it before you land up there, because it is better to go prepared, and it will be a great thing if you already have your accommodation sorted before you land in UK. So all in all, there are six steps. First is to decide on the university or course, then register and apply. Third is to accept your offer, arrange the funding, apply for a visa, and last, to prepare for your stay. If you have any questions or queries, or you want any assistance in your application to a university in UK, do contact Mind Global. Our counselors will be more than happy to help you. Thank you.